The GCE X11 original combi torch is a complete system for cutting, welding, heating and soldering. The welding nozzles are specially designed and calibrated, and the quick connector makes it easy to connect to the shank. The gas flow is controlled by the well-designed trim valves, which provide perfect setting of the gas flow. The specific design of the mixer creates a homogeneous mixture of oxygen and acetylene. The GCE welding attachments allow welding of material up to 14 millimeters. The new trim valve design makes it easy to exchange the valves by using original GCE spare parts. The valve can be replaced in just one step. After replacement, there is no need to make any further adjustment.